What's good, my wonderful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I'm gonna try to capture a live trade. We'll see if the setup will represent. I basically see here a setup and I will take it if just in case the price action will get to the point where I need to enter the trade. So basically we're seeing here the price action kind of took this high, yeah, and they even took even this high. But basically he will start kind of consolidating, taking the highs, then taking the lows, then taking the highs. Right now I'm expecting to take the low, yeah, but the price action basically just pushed and break again this high. So basically the lows are keep getting higher and higher, and the lows, sorry, keep getting higher and higher, and the highs, they keep getting taken out. So most likely I'm gonna take a buy on this one. If just in case this price action will gonna get to my zone, I'm gonna enter here a trade. It's nothing too crazy, something like that. I'm gonna take it like at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and I'm just gonna take the trade and manage it properly. If just in case the price action will gonna do something like that, then most likely I'm just gonna adjust my stop loss, basically to manage the position, a losing trade. So we will see how the price action will end up if just in case and only the price action will gonna get to my point of interest to get a trade. So stay tuned for the updates, guys. It's gonna be an interesting one. So basically eventually, how I said, I'm gonna wait for the price action to get to my zone. Yeah, that's what happens right now. I enter a trade and I'm gonna expect right now to break this high, retest and move up, and that would be the very beautiful scenario. How I said, I enter here, I'm the man of the word, so we'll see how this price action will develop. I'm gonna leave it for now just like that until let me just put it like here, the price action. Yeah, so it's just at a 1-to-1. I'm gonna manage this position in the logical way. We will see how the price action will develop. I'm gonna leave it. If I'm gonna see the price action goes into my thing too deep, yeah, and I will have feeling that the price action won't start moving up, then I'm just gonna close short and I'm just gonna cut the loss earlier than I supposed to be taking. But for now, guys, just enjoy the video, like this video, comment this video, do whatever you want, but as long as you can see here and follow up the trade and see how it develops. Stay tuned, guys. For now we're just sitting here. We kind of bounce once, but we kind of made a lower high, and right now we're trying to make a lower low. But if just in case the price action might gonna come here to create a double bottom, break this structure, retest and move up. That's my plan. So stay tuned for it. Don't be afraid, my man. Guys, so let's just make a quick analysis, yeah? So basically what happened here, I get to the zone where I'm supposed to be taking a trade. That's what I did. Then the price action basically start a little bit consolidating here, yeah, went in a little bit more drawdown, but then just shoot up, yeah. How I say it, guys, if it breaks this structure, yeah, a lot of people, for a lot of traders who laugh at me that they saying the 1-to-1 is kind of shit to reward. Yeah, I'm not complaining that, but the thing with that, if you guys get to this point, I'm gonna open a quick secret of mine, yeah, how I'm using and managing my position when I say that. Due to the fact that this price action break this structure, yeah, most likely it's gonna come to reject here, yeah, but obviously my target is right here, yeah. So from 1-to-1 risk to reward, I'm gonna move my stop loss right here, which is gonna make like around 5-to-1 risk to reward. If just in case this price action will come here to stop me out to take this high, then most likely it's gonna be a loser trade. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna lose a lot. I'm gonna lose just a little bit. So we will see. But yeah, guys, for now, I'm still waiting for the price action to develop itself and see how it will go from here. So stay tuned. So yeah, guys, how I said, the price action actually did come back and hit my stop loss. But that's good because at the end of the day I didn't lost like a lot. This is like just a lesson that it can help you out a lot, guys. Just take this trick into consideration and you will be surprised of the results of your trading. Just the only thing why I'm beg you, yeah, just stick to the strategy and you will see how eventually from unprofitable trader you will get to become a profitable. So we'll see. I'm gonna delete that, and if just in case is gonna pop up another trading opportunity, obviously I'm gonna share with you. I will share with you a day in the life of real traders. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, that's insane. Look at this beautiful scenario, yeah? It literally just stopped me out and just shoot up and hit our TP. This stuff will happen. This stuff will happen, I'm telling you right away. But you don't need to be angry because it stopped you out and then move to the TP. Only the reason why, because a lot of time will prevent to take a full loss, and then you're gonna be happy, trust me. Guys, I'm seeing here another potential setup, yeah, but that's only just in case if the price action will gonna come to my area of interest. The reason why here is EMAs, we are at the key zone, you see 0.03 round number, yeah. And basically if the price action will gonna get to this point, I'm gonna look for tape buys. The reason why is very simple. We're still kind of in an uptrend. If you scrolling out, you can see we're in an uptrend. Yeah, it's nothing too crazy, and we can see we very beautifully making higher highs and lower highs, like that, like that, like that. So basically right now I'm waiting for the potential high low and to take the price action to the upside, and the next hour is a crazy news event. So is FOMC news, which is kind of crazy new, but in the meantime I'm gonna look for potential buys, yeah. If just in case in the next hour the price action it won't get to my point of interest, I just gonna call it a day and just gonna take the small loss that we had today. So stay tuned, guys, for the updates. So how I said, basically I did enter a trade. So right now I'm gonna wait for the price action to kind of make his way up, but at the end of the day we'll see how the price action will gonna end up. As usual, I'm taking like 1-to-1 risk to reward, something like that. So we'll see how this price action will develop. I'm gonna see how it behave. If it's just gonna go straight to the downside, it can take one of two things. Either it's gonna break the stop loss and stop me out, either if just in case it's gonna make some sort of potential higher highs and lower highs, and to make his way back up I'm gonna adjust my stop loss and reduce my risk. So basically that's my plan, and that's my plan. So basically we will stick to it. But for now, let me just show you guys. For now I do open literally right here the trade, and let me just, we will target this high. So we will see how this price action will develop. Stay tuned. Right now we're sitting on the on the drawdown, and hopefully we're gonna make it up to break this structure, pull back and move up. If not, then it's just gonna be a loser day, which we we lost just a little bit on our previous trade, and we gonna basically lose one full trade if just in case. That's only if just in case the price action will stop me out full TP, full stop loss, sorry. So yeah guys, the reason why I'm sharing that with you, not to show you how good I am at trading, but to show you the reality of trading, because the trading is actually 50-50. Is nobody can tell you where the price action will gonna go. Who tells you they know where the price will gonna go? They lying to you. So I just gonna share with you the reality of trading, and yeah, just enjoy if you want, and hit the like button obviously if you want. So yep, let's wait and see. That's also guys the reality of trading. You see, right now I'm sitting at the break-even stage, so I could basically just take the trade, just close the trade and just move on. But that's the thing, because that's called fear, you know. You never should be afraid of taking trade. If you did get the step to enter in a trade, just stay and make sure you're gonna manage the position in the manner way and the logic way, and just let the trades play out, because don't try to avoid any losses, because at the end of the day, you know, you will just gonna keep losing all the time, and you always will gonna be afraid to take trades. So to me, I enter a trade 1-to-1, trying to risk, like, to get at least 1-to-1 risk to reward, and just to try to cut the loss short, and to make more when I'm winning. So basically that's the only logic behind trading. So yeah guys, let's see how this trade is very interesting, because if it's gonna be a winner trade, that's gonna be very awesome. So let's just stay patient and watch the price action. Guys, this is a beautiful example that I'm gonna show you right now. Yeah, so basically we're gonna do the exact same thing. Yeah, the price action was keep getting lower and lower, and right now make kind of double top, pull back and break this structure. Right now it could potentially come here to retest and move up. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing all the time, and that's what I'm anticipating to do. And obviously what we can do, we can just adjust a little bit our stop loss, so we can secure our we can secure our stop loss, something like that. And beautiful push, I like it. So anyway, right now the stop loss is right here, so we don't have no more 1-to-1 risk to reward. With this simple trick you can make like 1-to-3, 1-to-4, 1-to-5 risk to reward. The thing with that is, the most important thing in trading is to manage our position. Yeah, it doesn't really matter how, and the most you can lose in one trade is 1%. Yeah, potentially is 1%. The gain on this one is also 1%, but the probability that am I gonna lose lower is also is a percentage in there. So basically right now I'm gonna lose. Today we took 2 trades. Yeah, maybe we're gonna manage to get our TP hit in the live. So basically let me just make a quick math. Yeah, today I took 2 trades. Yeah, I took 2 trades, so obviously it was, first one it was a loser, but obviously I was right, but it was a loser. I risked like $3.5, yeah, something like that, 3.50 I risked for the trade. Yeah, and eventually I lost only 86 cents. Yeah, but I risked $3.50. Right now I'm still risking the same sort of amount, and right now my loss, let me just see real quick, because this 75, well, like, is only, I would say it's like $2, 204. So basically it's good, isn't it? Because even if this price action will eventually come here down and take me out, it's gonna be a beautiful trade, only because I'm gonna, in 2 trades that I risk by 1%, I I'm just gonna take 2 losses, and I'm gonna lose on both trades less than 1%. And for me, it's more than enough tomorrow just to take one trade like 1%, and I'm gonna be back to break-even stage. So it's not a problem. Then we can do like that, you know, another 3 trades in a row to win at a 1-to-1, and then again 2-3 trades to lose like 25% of the price action. Here is the only thing what you could do here is just to manage the losing position. But when it's a profitable trade, you just leave it, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Sometimes to me happened like the price action came almost here and just came down. And obviously it's gonna be a news today, so it's no good idea to hold this trade for too long. And I will see if in the next hour the price action won't hit my TP. I just gonna close the position because we have here a huge, right now in 1 hour we're having a huge news event, so careful with this news, and yeah, just close any open trades and leave it like that. But yeah guys, please, if you watching this video to this point, make sure you're gonna like it, please. That's gonna mean a lot for me. Stay tuned. Guys, it's just insane how this price action is keep sitting there, and basically I just need one more push so it could hit my TP, but it's just sitting here and kind of like start consolidating. I still think like the price action eventually will gonna hit my TP, but if just in case the price action will gonna start moving lower, I might gonna start moving my stop loss like to the break even if I'm gonna see some crazy stuff. But man, it is what it is. I said when I'm gonna get closer to 9 p.m. my time, I'm just gonna close the position. I don't wanna be in the trade because the manipulation is gonna be crazy. Stay away from those crazy news, guys. Stay away because you won't find probability on gambling like that. So yeah, guys, I'm glad to say we finally hit our TP, so we good. And how you could see, I enter here, they literally took me off right here, the TP. So I hope you did enjoy, guys, this video, and if you want to see more of those videos, feel free to like this video and comment that you love it and you wanna see more. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.